So just as our top management settle in,
Sabimoni,
I believe the documentary has been queued in.
Bank of Nigeria.
So we will dim the lights and roll tape
was among
very shortly.
delegates.
Can we have the documentary, please? Thank you.
Over the years, the Central Bank of Nigeria has implemented various programs aimed at deepening financial inclusion. These efforts culminated in the launch of the Financial Inclusion Strategy, which places high premium on financial literacy. The goal is to ensure that 95% of eligible Nigerians are included in the formal financial system by the year 2024.
We'll also intensify our financial literacy and consumer protection programs so that current and elite bank customers are fully aware of the financial services being offered to them, as well as the cost of utilizing these services, which would enable them to make well-informed choices.
To make the financial inclusion goal a reality, the CBN in recent times has launched several other strategies targeted at closing the gap. Speaking at the recently held Financial Inclusion Conference in Abuja, the Deputy Governor, Financial System Stability, Mrs. Aisha Ahmad, re-echoed the Governor's commitment to attaining the goal.
It's an ambitious target, and we think that putting out an ambitious target would encourage, galvanize, and inspire people to the high-level thinking that is required to make this happen. I think this country has everything it needs to achieve that.
Although successes have been recorded with the launch of the National Strategy for Leveraging Agent Networks for Women's Financial Inclusion, the National FinTech Strategy, and the Nigeria Payment Systems Vision 2025, PSV 2025, among others, there remains the critical challenge of suboptimal financial literacy among a large population of the unbanked and underserved locations in Nigeria.
The importance of financial literacy to the attainment of financial system stability cannot be underscored. Consumer education, financial literacy, dispute resolution, redress mechanisms, and effective market conduct have been identified as the levers to the growth of financial inclusion. It is therefore critical that the populace is sufficiently aware as to how to transact in the financial space.
Studies show that the dearth of skilled financial literacy trainers, low level of knowledge and understanding of financial products and services, and readily accessible portals to relevant information have prevented many individuals from accessing financial products and services. Against this backdrop, the Financial Literacy Working Group is implementing various consumer education and financial literacy initiatives across identified target segments of the Nigerian population as identified in the National Financial Literacy Framework, NFLF. One of these initiatives is the development of a financial literacy e-learning platform, Sabimoni, where individuals and cohorts can access financial education through self-service from the comfort of their homes with ease.
Sabimoni is an output of the Financial Literacy Working Group. We believe that with proper literacy, with proper education, our financial inclusion numbers, our target is to reach 95% by 2024. We will contribute significantly towards achieving that target. Sabimoni will go a long way in educating our citizens, not only our young people, if you look at our demographics, but really our rural populace, our women, especially those in order, and then other citizens.
The development of Sabimoni was made possible through a partnership amongst the CBN, the German Agency for International Cooperation, GIZ, and members of the Financial Literacy Working Group.
The German Development Corporation, on behalf of the German government as well as the European Union, is very proud to have partnered with the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, and to create this financial literacy working group in Nigeria to develop this e-learning platform called Sabimoni.
The platform is primarily targeted at the intermediary segment of the society, comprising people that would learn and become certified financial literacy trainers and ultimately serve as vehicles for deepening financial literacy and inclusion nationwide.
The Sabimoni Financial Literacy e-learning train-the-trainer platform will help us reach more people, especially the underserved in Nigeria.
As the name connotes, Sabimoni, that's to know money, to understand money, to interact with it. So the benefits we are expecting is that it will allow us to bring more people on board the financial services system, and it will allow us to deepen literacy, will allow us to deepen trust.
Apart from the insurance industry players, the most important group of people that are to benefit in going through the Sabimoni platform is, let's say, starting with secondary school teachers and then tertiary institution lecturers and of course the NYSC. So this will help in no small measure in combating the problems we have of financial literacy.
The Sabimoni platform has 15 financial literacy modules covering all topics across the Nigerian financial sector. These modules will be used by several governmental and non-governmental partners and organizations to build financial competencies of target groups. These partners are expected to transfer their knowledge to their cohorts and members of their respective communities.
This will accelerate nationwide promotion and dissemination of financial education initiatives using modern technology to contribute and improve financial inclusion of our citizens.
Sabimoni is intended to equip users with the knowledge of financial literacy and also enable them to become certified financial literacy trainers, CFLT, through the deployment of modern technology to accelerate nationwide promotion and dissemination of financial education initiatives. It complements the traditional approach of classroom teaching and will contribute to the attainment of the financial inclusion agenda.
So in a situation where somebody's interested in transferring knowledge, I want to teach my family, for instance, or I want to teach my local government area, I can come on that platform, learn, and then even create content that I'll be able to use to teach other people to learn about financial literacy. So over and above me learning by myself, I can actually become an agent to improve financial literacy with my family and people around me and my loved ones. Sabimoni mitigates the challenges of limited reach, impact, and heavy cost burden. The platform resonates with the priorities of the National Financial Inclusion Strategy, which focuses on financial literacy and digitalization.
It has been quite very engaging and very inspiring because the financial literacy e-learning platform is a beautiful thing. It has been tested by several other bodies. We did the alpha test, beta test, and through the pilot, a lot of persons have used it and they've testified to have gotten much financial training. We recommend it.
The importance of Sabimoni platform to NAPTEP program is numerous. It will deepen the skills of the volunteer corps members. It will enable other corps members to have access to financial literacy manuals. It will increase the target audience and it will make learning less cumbersome for the facilitators.
Sabimoni is indeed the game changer that will impact generations to come.
It is unprecedented in this part of the world, where someone can come through self-service, learn financial literacy, become certified, and then multiply the message back into the society. This is unprecedented. It has never happened in this part of the world, and I can assure you that very soon you will see people from other countries coming to learn from us as to how we did this magic. I call it magic.
To be part of this innovation, all stakeholders need to do is to simply visit www.sabimoni.org.ng to enroll.
I implore you to not only take advantage of the platform to educate yourselves, but to also encourage others to do the same, especially the youth, on how to better manage their financial resources or become certified financial literacy trainers.
With Sabimoni, Nigerians now have the much needed tutorial to understand how money can work for them.
Of course, Sabimoni, it is effective teaching aid like no other. And of course, within the context of financial literacy, a game changer. Distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, we're still riding on towards the grand unveiling of Sabimoni. But just before we get to